In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cite journal articles in Zotero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, accurate journal article entry so your citations and bibliographies come out correctly every time. First, open Zotero. You can use the desktop app or the web library. Either works the same for what we're doing today. Give it a second to load your collections and items so you're working with an up-to-date library. Next, head to My Library. This is your main workspace in Zotero, the place where your references live and where you'll add new ones. If you organize with collections, that's great, but for now just make sure you're in the right spot so the new item ends up where you expect. At the top, click New Item. This creates a fresh blank reference in your library. Choosing the right type here is important because it tells Zotero which fields to show and how to format the citation later. From the list of item types, select Journal Article. Picking this ensures you get fields like publication title, volume, issue, pages, and DOI. Details citation styles rely on for proper formatting. Now, fill in the bibliographic details carefully. Start with the title exactly as it appears in the article. For authors, enter them in the published order. Use separate fields for family name and given name, and add additional authors as needed so everyone is captured accurately. If the author is an organization, keep it in a single field so Zotero doesn't split it. Enter the publication title, which is the journal's full name, not the article title. Add the year, and when available, include month and day to match the source. Fill in volume and issue numbers, then add the page range in the pages field using a dash for the span. Include the DOI if one exists. It's a permanent identifier and helps with linking. If there's a URL because the article is online ahead of print or open access, you can add that too. For most journal articles, the publisher field isn't necessary, so you can leave it blank unless the source explicitly lists one. As you type, Zotero saves automatically, but it's worth double-checking for typos, unexpected capitalization, or missing fields. Small errors here can ripple into your citations later. Make sure names are consistent across your library to avoid duplicates or merged authors. That's it. You've created a properly structured journal article in Zotero, and it's ready to cite in your documents using whatever style you choose. Taking a minute to enter accurate metadata now pays off with clean, consistent references later.